Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: Rust programming language. Many beginners often find Rust intimidating, but fear not. In this video, we'll explore why Rust is not as hard as it seems and why it's worth learning. So, let's dive in. Before we jump into why Rust is not hard, let's quickly understand what Rust is. Rust is a modern, safe, and blazingly fast programming language developed by Mozilla. It aims to provide a reliable and efficient way to build system-level software with strong memory safety guarantees. One of the reasons why Rust is not hard to learn is its simple and clear syntax. Rust has a clean and intuitive syntax that focuses on readability. It uses familiar programming concepts and doesn't rely heavily on complex syntax or obscure symbols. Another aspect that makes Rust not as hard is its emphasis on memory safety. Rust's ownership system ensures that there are no null pointer exceptions, dangling pointers, or data races. It enforces strict rules at compile time, which prevents many common bugs that can be hard to debug in other programming languages. Code tooling and documentation are essential for any programming language, especially for beginners. Rust provides excellent tooling, including a package manager called Cargo, which makes managing dependencies a breeze. Additionally, the official documentation and online community are incredibly supportive and beginner-friendly, offering a wealth of learning resources. To wrap up, Rust is not as hard as it may seem at first glance. Its simple syntax, focus on memory safety, support for concurrency, and excellent tooling make it a great language for beginners and experienced developers alike. So, if you've been hesitant to explore Rust, I encourage you to give it a try. You might be surprised at how quickly you can pick it up and the benefits it brings to your programming journey. Thank you all for watching today's video. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more programming-related content. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Until next time, happy coding!